Hello, it's Baby by English. Say hi.
Hi.
Merry Christmas. So today we carry out an experiment which is called rainbow. Yes, this is the snowman. And this is the Christmas tree, by the way. So let's put it aside. We need a plate. A large one. We need 2 small packages of Skittles and a cup with warm water. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? So
No.
let's study them. Let's learn. So repeat after me. Red, red,
Red,
orange,
orange,
yellow,
yellow,
green,
green,
blue,
blue,
purple.
purple.
Good. So let's open the first package of Skittles.
Mhm.
Let's open it. Can you open it?
Open it.
Open, yes. Oh, like this. Be careful. So, what is the first color? Which color goes first? Which color? Which color, Yema?
Mhm.
Which color? What color is it?
Orange.
No, this is red. Find a red Skittle candy. Red one. Let's put it on the plate. Put it on the plate. What color is it? What color is it?
Orange.
Very good. Let's find an orange Skittles candy. Orange. Nice. So, what is this color? This color. Do you remember? Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow? Where is yellow? Yellow candy. Put it on the plate. Thank you. What is this color? What color is it? Green.
Green.
Where is the green candy? Green.
Тут нету green.
Oh, look carefully, please. Look.
Тут нету green.
This is green. Let's put it next to the yellow candy. Nice. So, and purple. We don't have blue, but we have purple. Right? So let's put purple next to the green.
Yellow.
This is yellow. This is yellow. Very good. Green. Green, green, green. Very good. So we've just arranged Skittles in a circle around the edge of the plate. The next step, slowly pour water into the center of the plate. Slowly. That's it. Now wait till the rainbow appears. Let's wait. Look at the colors. See? Wow! It's magic. Do you like it?